Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood Markets for Web3 investing, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Robinhood website. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you frequently check. Create a strong password for your account. Ensure your password contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. After entering your email and password, click on the Continue button. Next, you will need to provide your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid future issues. Once you fill in your details, click on the Continue button again. Robinhood will now ask a few questions to verify your identity. This may include your social security number or tax identification number. Enter the required information and click Continue. After verification, you may be prompted to link your bank account. Select your bank from the list or use the search feature. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account securely. This step is necessary for funding your Robinhood account. Once your bank is linked, you will receive a confirmation. Review the terms and conditions provided by Robinhood. It is essential to understand the platform's policies before proceeding. Agree to the terms if you find them acceptable. You will now be taken to your new Robinhood account dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. At this point, you can navigate to Web3 investing options. Research the assets available for investment in the Web3 space. Consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Once you've set everything up, you are ready to start investing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.